and she swallowed it. That is a monster. Let's see if we can get this to work. Hi there everybody, Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa here. And today I am out on a lake that isn't technically public hunting, but they have a special goose season that they opened up. They've done it in the past. So I guess they have a problem with geese throughout the winter. And I scouted it, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, and I seen a couple geese sitting out here on the middle of the lake. They weren't too scared of me. So I was hoping to be able to just kayak up, take a shot, kill some geese, kayak back out. Will I be that lucky? I don't know. But there's a lot of area to cover out here. A little bit windy today. Haven't heard any geese yet. Seen plenty of ducks, but we can't shoot ducks on this lake. So we'll see what happens. Be kind of interesting to see how it goes. I've been trying for some geese here lately and just been unsuccessful. So figured this would be a good time to try it. I got a day where, you know, I didn't want to go out and do too much for the day because I work. So hopefully we find some geese. We got a whole lake to explore. And right now we can shoot 3 geese a day. So that's a lot of goose Philly cheesesteaks, guys. And I also need to pluck one. At least one more for holiday dinners. I'm gonna do that this year. So. Alright, well, stick with me guys and let's see if we can find some. Alright, well, I've gotten all the way across the lake and not a goose in sight. Seen a couple mallards, 3. Seen a coot. And then I figured out there is a marsh attached to this lake and it's public hunting. So that means 4 ducks and geese. Well, I started paddling into it and there's a small little group of teal that I've seen. They buzzed around and then they set back down. So we're gonna head on back in here and maybe, just maybe, we're gonna get a shot at them. We'll see. I didn't bring any duck decoys, I did bring goose decoys. But this is a pretty small area, so I think I might have a good chance at shooting them when they get up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sneak up on them. Let's see. They could go up and over that dam there. If we did that, I'd definitely not have a shot. We'll see. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Geese. They see me. Well, I found the geese, guys. There is no sneaking up on these geese. I bet you they're gonna be smart. Bet you they're gonna be really, really smart. That's too far to shoot at them. Dang it. It's sitting right there.
As quiet as can be. See how close we can get. They're already spooked. I don't know, guys. I don't know. See which way they go if they fly. If they fly over me, I have a shot. Oh, I wish the wind was in my favor right now. Yeah, they're getting spooked. Still too far to shoot. No. Oh, too far. Dang.
Alright guys, well, geese got up and left. Ducks are still on the water over here somewhere. Maybe I'll run into those geese on the main lake on my way back. We'll see. Alright guys, this is crazy. So I had that group of geese get up. Yeah. There's more geese over here. There's at least 2 geese over here. I see heads sticking up. They're sitting in the grass. We're gonna try for them. See if we can redeem ourselves. Oh, they're moving. They're moving. Oh. 3 geese. At least 3. How do they stay? Look at them. Look at them putting their heads down. Look at them putting their heads down. Get as close as we can to them. Ducks. Come on. Got him. Get a picture. All right. Got them, guys. They're not down, but they're down. Gotta be careful because there's houses up here. Alright. Gotta get up here quick. See if we can get to them. There was one off to the right. He is still very much alive. Alright. See him trying to hide. And I see the one on the left. Make sure the sucker doesn't get up. Let me see your head. Let me see your head. Alright. How deep is this? Oh, that's some nasty stuff. Oh. Alright, I know that one. I know that one's dead. There was one that was back here walking around. Oh. I wish I knew how deep it was back here. Alright, we're gonna attempt to get out. Alright, got this one. Look at that, guys. One goose. gonna have to chase this other one down. Oh. Whew. Glasses are fogging up, you guys. So I walked my kayak's all the way over there. I thought I seen this goose running all the way up the middle. It wasn't him, unless it's the third one. I don't know, I could have a second one back there by the kayak, but I walked all this. This is like water mixed with tall grass. It's like hip high. And wow. It's not a cold morning either, but I decided to take the high road back and up against the tree line. And lo and behold, Goose was sitting right here. I didn't have time to put the camera on, but he tried getting away. And he's right down in here in this water pocket. I finished him off. So, just in case two deer or both the geese came this way, I don't know. Like I said, I only seen for sure one running this way. So there's a good chance that I have the second goose back over by the kayak where I originally shot. I have to be careful because this stuff is so deceiving on how deep it is. Like, here's a couple steps and next thing you know, you're at the limit of your waders. It's pretty crazy. This is some deep stuff. Yeah, he took it to the dome ski about 10 yards. Whew. Oh, yeah. Another nice goose. Look at that, you guys. Number 2. Get across here. Oh. Get back to where I threw that first goose. And then we're going to look for the second one. Ooh, that got deep. I'm gonna work my way across here. You guys don't want to hear me panting and breathing so heavy. Okay. Whew. I'm back at the kayak. I got the 2 geese. I'm about to look for the third. I gotta be really careful. I got really close to the kayak and I found, oh, I think the screen's got a little wet. I got really close to the kayak and I mean, it's just, you're walking on top of grass mats, but you walk in a little small spot where it looks like a channel and I dropped down into the top of my waders. So I didn't get fully wet, but I got some water in my waders. Good thing it's not cold. But I'm gonna go try to find this third goose. Hopefully I can find it. That would be awesome. I don't feel like both 2 of them ran out that way, so we'll see. Maybe I'll get lucky and find it. Oh. Well, I've been looking for a little over an hour now. I'm even up in the timber now. I can't find the third one. I'm gonna get back to the kayak, kind of paddle around this area a bit, see if maybe it got around me somehow. If not, I think I lost it. That sucks. I even tried going back through my footage. I can't see it. I can't see where it was going. But we got 2 at least. Maybe I'll get lucky and find it on my way out. If not, maybe we'll see some more geese on the way out across the lake. It's unfortunate to lose a goose or lose a bird, but it happens. It's kind of hard to get a shot on them when they're sitting on the water, which those were pretty much, you know, I had all 3 of them had their heads up. I was hoping the pattern would just cover their heads. That's what I was hoping. You know, it's just enough to wound them, it looks like. So, but I'm gonna get out of this timber. Like I said, paddle around a little bit. Maybe I can find her if she got around me. Oh. Almost done, guys. Whew. Alright, guys. Oh, that was fun. Quick little hunt. Kind of, well, it's quick shooting. it wasn't quick picking up the geese. Sucks that I lost the one, but sometimes that happens. But I'm heading back to my truck. Looks like about to have some rain. And I'm gonna get going home, go get some sleep before work. Happy to get some geese again finally. It's been a minute. I've been trying to get some geese for a while. So glad I was able to do that. We'll see what we're gonna make out of them next. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't like they were decoying. I didn't even throw decoys out. Just, I mean, this kayak's been working good for just paddling up the birds. I don't know. I miss having birds decoy though. That's a lot of fun shooting birds over decoys. But we're gonna be back out Saturday. I'm gonna have my boy out, and hopefully we'll get into some ducks and we'll see how it goes. But anyways, I hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving coming up and safe travels. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys later.